Nice to meet you, Max. Can you tell me a bit about who you are and what you do?
Yeah. Max Benjamin. I'm one of the managing partners at Aimpoint Digital. I lead all of our consulting, delivery, and product. Really take a lot of time with the team to focus on, ensuring that we provide impact for all of the client engagements that we have. Do you want to go ahead and give us your background?
Yeah, sure. Pleasure to meet you as well, Max, again today. My name is Stefan Dent. I am the Chief Strategy Officer at Simfoni. I've been with the business from day one. We're a 10-year-old business and we specialise in procurement within that domain, and we've got operations around the world. My role is to ensure that we are organised and focused against our vision and our objectives. Part of my role is also that I oversee all of our activity with our technology and consulting partners. And again, it's about selecting the right partner and ensuring that we're organised to deliver against that shared vision.
You mentioned that you're very selective in how you, the organizations that you partner with. Can you talk about some of that partnership criteria and what it looked like in terms of this process with us?
We know our domain really well, really deeply. We understand how technology can bring value to what we do. And so therefore, when we partner with someone, we need that partner to share that understanding, have a shared understanding of what we want to achieve. They can buy into our vision. And I'm very happy with what we've seen with Aimpoint. And in fact, you've stretched us in many areas as well, which we absolutely love. We've had a great experience working together, as you know. We've been in the trenches, working shoulder to shoulder for quite some time. So what stood out for you?
Yeah, I mean, with all of our engagements with our customers, right, it comes down to partnership. Partnership is such a key word for us in terms of how our relationships work. And in order to, really get the most out of these types of engagements and really achieve the success that we're looking for, it starts with having that shared vision, right? Understanding what you're trying to achieve, right? We started, the engagement really looking into what was the overarching goals that you had with Virgil, right? What did you want the ultimate end customer experience to be, and what is the success criteria to ensure that you've really hit on all of those components for your customers. Then we can go in and we can start to ideate. We can start to provide some of those technical solutions given our experience, not only in your space, but across, kind of organizations and industries, leveraging Snowflake and pushing the bounds, right? From there, really what we're looking to do is customize a solution that really fits exactly what you're trying to achieve. And I think, the reason that we had such great success is that we were able to build trust early on.
You finished up there talking about trust, Max. And I want to pick up on that because I completely agree. When we work with partners, whether it's consultant partners, whether it's technology partners, and there's other partners we work with as well, trust is so important. When we started dating, when we started working against our vision to deliver this, we warmed to that trust. We could sense it. I think we could both sense it as well very quickly, very early on. For some of the core reasons I said earlier, that you guys really bought into our vision. Even though you're not procurement domain experts, we are, we don't need you to be, you had a real appreciation of what we were trying to build and our vision around it. And what I love most about it is that as opposed to being task orientated, which is probably the experience we've had with other developers, you guys obviously picked up the task, but actually you went beyond that. You then contribute to this, you come back with ideas, you challenge what we're saying. And we love being challenged, by the way, because we create something, I think, more beneficial in the end.
Trust is key of all of these engagements. And I think, you build something so much better when you have that underlying trust. It allows you to experiment, to, have a little bit more flexibility and not such rigidity. And really at the end of the day, that's what our team enjoys doing, right? They enjoy being, very closely working with organizations like we established here to build, the best solution we can.